Hey everybody, welcome to day number 16 of the New England farmhouse renovation. Please watch your step. We're coming to you from the second floor overlooking our brand new foyer here. We don't have a railing in yet, but we did have to get a bunch of things done up here, and we did have a couple issues that came up, but I'll address those as we come across them. The first thing that we wanted to get done was to get our first plaster coat on the new drywall here. And I like the first plaster coat because it just blends everything together. We still do have a little bit of work we got to do around the window there where the old wall used to come out. And so we got to blend that in, but at the same time we also have that radiant heater that was in the closet. Now remember, we took back that closet space so that we could create this grand foyer and then move the staircase out. We didn't want that staircase going and meeting halfway in the door to the kids' room, so now the staircase is going to come out to where you see the little cross section right there, which is going to be great because now it's not going to be in there. But in order to do that, we had to steal that closet space. But that wasn't so much of an issue because we're going to have a closet in the kids' room. We just stole that closet from the bathroom. And so this wall here is going to get framed up, but before that can happen, we did notice that when they did this little renovation here and they just kind of haphazardly ran this electrical cord along the inside top of the closet. So we got to have the electrician come down and reroute that before we put our wall in. And then the other thing is, well, we want to have our door open here and to the left, but we want to have a full-size closet. So we had to figure out how we could have the door open and then still have a 2 foot by 4 foot closet, which is pretty standard for a room. And so we decided that we're going to have a little linen closet here that's going to be directly opposite of the shower. We're going to have a space where the door can open, and then the closet for the bedroom is actually going to start right about here. And it's going to start and it's going to run just to about where the peak of the roof starts shifting down, and then that's a good 2 foot by 4 foot closet. So we're going to have enough room for the door to open. Then we're going to have a linen closet in the bathroom, and we're going to have a full-size closet here in the bedroom. So we had to just figure that out, and it was a little bit of thinking in order to get that to work. The other thing that we wanted to do was we wanted to get our framing done here into the bathroom. Now, if you remember, we had the old pitch of the roof, which you can see right there, and it originally came out to where this wall is right now. So when you had to open the bathroom door, you had to open it to the right. So that had you walk in and you were immediately walking into a wall, which is not very convenient or feng shui, if you would. So now that we've actually lifted the pitch of the roof, we've gained the ability to open the door to the left to the wall. So now when you walk in, you're going to walk into the bathroom versus walking into the wall. So that's huge. And the other huge thing was by raising it, we were now able to get a closet here in the hallway. And so this is a pretty good sized closet. And this is prime real estate for an area where you didn't really have too much storage. And so now this door is going to open out to the left, which is sure it's going to compete with the door to the master bedroom, but that's a real small price to pay for having a closet of this size. And then, well, we still have to do some figuring here with the drywall because we're trying to create a soffit that goes all the way around to hide all the utilities. So this was just really a lot of wood framing today. So we've kind of taken over the master bedroom and we've turned that into a wood shop as we're doing all of our framing in and around here. Now the scaffolding is going to stay in until we get all of our 5 levels of plaster up and our paint up. Because it's just more convenient to be able to roll the scaffolding around. And then once we take it out, then we're going to start our stairs. And I'm really excited to start the stairs, but we're trying to do this in such a way where it's making the most sense and it's most efficient. So for the time being, we're just going to continue on where we're at, and we're going to continue figuring everything out and getting all the remaining bits and pieces in here. And then once that's all done and we got this all sealed up, we're going to then start on the stairs where we can focus on that, because that's going to be a pretty intricate thing. The serpentine stairs got a lot of angles and it's got a lot of steps, and we want to make sure that those are very comfortable to walk up and that they're also to code. So that's what we did on day 16. We did a lot and we ran into a lot of issues, but we're slowly figuring those out. So thanks for checking in. And yeah, this day 17 is just going to be a bunch of the other thing, but that's going to have to wait till next weekend because it's already Monday and we're going back to the Newton Mudroom tomorrow. So if you haven't checked that out, there's a whole link here in the description where you can see what's going on over there, and definitely check back here on day 18. Thanks for checking in.